Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UPSC mains answer writing 2023 एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं और मेंस आंसर राइटिंग क्वेश्चन. Analyzes the policy challenges and posted by tax havens and likes the corruption Cyprus and in the global finance system, and with other focus on the implication of food tax. Of tax justice and economic inequalities. Introduction. Give a brief context to the questions and highlighting the policy and challenges posed by the tax haven. Conclusion. Way forward. Nations like the Cyprus and known as the tax havens exempt individuals and the corporations and from the paying and taxes on their the funds and hand in the bank and within there's the borders and politicals and economically, and thus the countries and frequently enjoy the sustainability and they offer the several tax beneficiaries. Analyze the policy challenges posed by the tax havens and like the Cyprus in the global finance and the system, and with other focus on the implications and for the tax justice and the economic and inequality productions. Give a brief context to the questions and body highlighted the policy challenges posted by tax haven and conclusion way forward. Nations like Cyprus known as the tax haven and attempt the individuals and the corporation for the payings and taxes on there's the funds and held in the bank and within there's the bond and policies. Conclusion. Analysis of the key issues and the erosions of the tax basis by the enablings and papers and the business and to transfer asset and profits to the countries with low or no tax rate. No tax rate and tax haven and aid in the tax evasion and avoidance by eroding to other nation tax based this strategy. Erosion of tax basis by the enabling people and the business and to the transfer assets and profit and to the countries and with low the tax law or tax based, and this the strategy lower the account of the money and available for the public services and lack of the transparency. And because and tax and the haven't and frequently and mentioned the high levels of the financial secret, it is can be the challenging for the tax authority to the efficiency. अरे यार बिल्कुल भी बोले हो अब. Lack of transparency because tax havens the frequently mentioned the high level of the finance secretary and it can be the changes. changing for the tax authority to the efficiency and the track and the tax income and international efforts to the combat tax evasion and the enforce tax rules are hampered and by the lack of the openness, inequality, accelerations, and by the allowing the wealthy and the companies to the evade and paying their the fair shares of the taxes. Inequality and the escalations and by the allowing the wealthy and companies to the evade paying and their fair the shares of the taxes and the usage of the tax haven and the escalated economic. Conclusion. Double taxation treaties and companies and the individuals and can make use of the legislative frameworks and that allows them to take an advantage of the loopholes and lowers their the total tax and avoidance and by the interings. Conclusion. According to the state and of the tax justice 2022 and by the tax justice network and countries the world covers and are on the cases to the loss 4.8 trillions to the tax haven over the next 10 years, addressing thus challenges and required the concern effort aid the both and the national international levels to create the fair and the transparent tax environments. Question. Evaluate the role of the state and run fact the checking units in the combating the misinforming and the fake news. Discuss the ethical confederation and challenges faced by the democracies in the regulating content in the social media's platform. Introduce. Give context to the questions and body what role and do the fact checking the units and pay in the combating misinformation. Conclusion. Way forward. Recently, the Tamil Nadu government issues and the orders to set up other fact-check out units and with other intents of the checking across all media platforms the authenticity of the information related and to the announcement. Policies and schemes and guidelines and the initiatives of the government and role of the state to run and fact the checking units. Credibility and accountability and abuses because and they are the seen and as the unbiased organization state run fact and checking the units are either good or other good way and to increase the credibility to prevent trust them at remain and independence of the politicals insurance and check the reaction as thus the terms and can the react and quickly to new the informations and preventings and it from the spending too far and the advanced and the fact checking promotings and accuracy is the crucial and in this day and of the repeat information transmissions. Public awareness by the engaging in fact and checking the state can the ensures public awareness of the value information and verifications and this can help pupils and because more medias literate and enable them and to the separated false information from the credible sources. Credible sources and legal support to offer and the additional degrees of the enforcement and state run the entirely and maybe abuls may be able to use legal means to the force and platform to remove or the label and misleading information. Ethical consideration. Independence. It is the essential to the guarantees the fact checking and information from the political interference, the legitimacy and the efficiency of thus entities and may be jeopardized by the political intervention. Freedom of the expression, finding a middle ground and between the stifling false information and upholding the right to free the speech is difficult, a bit too much and fact checkings, and could the union tensionalities and the stifles reasonable criticism or others the viewpoint. Openness, beings and the open and the honest thought out the fact and checking the process is crucial, and buildings and trust and with the public and is the facilitated by the open communication. And regarding the criteria applies the sources and consulted and the decisions making process. Fairness, fact checking, the organization must avoid taking sides in the social or the political disputes by being the imperatives and the fairs and their the evolution. Changes in regulating contact on the social media's platform. Global operation of social media and certain the governments and find it difficult to the adequate regulated contact due to the global natures of social media platform, and it is the often necessary to the coordinated global operation contact volumes. It is the changing to the monitor and regulate social media platforms and efficiency due to the overwhelming account of the content on them, and when it is come to the correctly and the identifying the contact and instant automated contact filterings and tools and have the limits, misinformations and dynamics and natures, and it is difficult for the regulatory agencies and to stay on the top of the constant and evolutions of misinformation strategic because they conflicted and fact and the fictions deflects and for the instant and provide other special kind of difficulties conclusions. A comprehensive and ethicals and approach involve the combination of regulatory measures and consultations and with the stakeholder including the public and intermediates like the Googles and the Facebooks, technological solutions and media literary campaigns. Critically examine the role of the local governance and community participating in the enhancing the resiliences of the vast services and against the climates induced and challenging the suggest to improve the effectiveness of the exciting policies and programs in India. What is the vast initiative body highlighted the role of the local governance and bars and the measures in improve the effectiveness and conduct the way forward. The term was in health and are the facilitated and refers to the provision of water, sanitation, health care, waste and management and hygiene and environmental cleaning infrastructure and services across all parts of other facilities. Role of the governance in enhancing the resilience of vast services and the decentralization decision making, and the decisions can be made locally and with the greatest responsiveness and the contact, and when it comes to the waters and sanitations and hygiene was the services and local the government officers and are better and able to the comprehend the uniques and problems that the communities confront and design solution and that the address and those that need community ownerships and timely response and customization of solution. Community and ownerships, a sense of the ownerships and is the first areas, and when the communities are the involved in the designs and excavations and upkeep of bus and the services. If the communities and activities and the contributed to the development of thus the services, and there is a the greater change and that they will be the preserved and the protected. Timely response, local authorizations and can respond and more the promptly and to the emerging the challenges such as the extreme weather event or the changing the precipitations and patterns. This the agilities and is the crucial for maintenance the functionality of the vast services and during and the after climates induced shock. induced shocks and the customizations of the solutions. Local governance allow for the customizations of vast solution and based on the local knowledge and the cultural practices and environment conditions and the research. The ensures and that the inventions and are the contextually and prescripted and more the likely to succeed. Missions to the improve comprehensively community education and awareness. Run initiatives is to the firms and locals about how the climate changes is affecting and the vast services and give them the now and how and the availability they need to the adjust to thus the changes and maintenance their infrastructure for water and sanitation participatory and planning make sure local communities and are the actively and the involved in vast plannings and process this the intel and the determining communities need the carrying out the vulnerabilities and assessment and the workings together to create the vast programs and that the are the climate resistance technology integrations and investment how using the sustainable and sustainable technologies might improve the vast services and resilience rainwaters harvesting system and decentralization water based water treatment and the climate resilience water sources are a few example of this integrations with the disasters and risk reduction and at the local level and the incorporated vast resiliences initiatives into more and the comprehensive disaster and risk reductions and plan this the guarantees are the comprehensive the strategy to the increase the resiliences against the obstacles and brought on by the climate changes conclusion government can the further strength purpose initiative by the strengthening their the capacities to the sustain safe sanitations and the incentivizing and them to the revive and alternative water sources and stored water to cope with the supply regulatories and conduct letters of water testing for other resilience and the sustainable futures evaluates the role of the developed and the developing countries in the reducing the greenhouse gas and emission how can the international cooperation be the enhances to meet the targeted of limiting global temperatures rise. Introduction give brief context to the questions and body highlighting the role of the countries in the reducing the GHG and emissions and how the international cooperation can help in this and conclusion way forward. The role of both developed and the developing countries in reducing the greenhouse gas and GHG emissions is crucial for the addressing climate change and recently the report and published by the Organization for Economically Cooperation and Development OECD and shows that the economically and developed and countries and fell short of their promise to jointly the mobilize and the 100 billions towards the climate mitigations and adaptation needs for of the developing countries. Role of countries in the reducing the GHG and emissions. Sustainable development developing nations and must the strike the balance between the environment sustainability and economically growth and this the entire introducing the sustainable and land use practices and supporting the renewable energy sources and in embracing clean and the technology adaptations measures and developing countries should concentrate on putting the adaptation measures and into place to the increase and resiliences in areas like the infrastructure agricultural and water resources because they are frequently no more susceptible and to the effort of the climate changes and financial supports development nation can give the developing countries and financial support so they can put and that is the climate resiliences capacities and buildings and renewables energies initiative historical responsibilities developed country bear and the historical responsibilities for the majority of the cumulatives greenhouse gas and the emission and they have other moral obligations to take the lead in the reducing emission and supporting developing nations in their the effort how international corporations and help how international corporation help to meet and the targeted of reducing the GSG financial institutions of engaging the green climates fund and the others financial institution can assist the directing funds and towards the climate related projects and in the under developing and nations and it is the imperatives to the maintain accountability and the transparency in the administration of fund climate agreement, and it is the imperatives to take part in the international climate agreement, including the Paris Agreement, and together nations should establish and meet goals and for the reducing emissions and evaluates and their the progress and frequently and the reviews. They are placed in light of the new scientific fundings, capacities building and developing nations and must be the better equipped and to the analysis origin and carry out climate action. Training the institution capacity building and knowledge sharings are all the part of this. Role of private sector. The OECD and report suggested the de-risking and with the government interventions and the called on the multilateral development bank to the integrated private finance mobility and strategic as part of their core objectives. Conclusions. The industrialized and the developing world and must work together to the combat climate changes and the meeting global climates and targeted and containing the rise in the global temperatures and required the international cooperated based on the shared responsibilities and mutual support. Analyzes the economically and the social implications of providing the reservation and private sector jobs for local candidates. How does its affect and interest interstate migration and national integrations? Introductions. Give context to the question and body highlighted the economic and the social implication of reservations in private sector and its the effects on the migrations and the national integrations. Recently, the Punjab and the Haryana High Court and has done the right things and by the quashing the Haryana's and state unemployment of the local candidates Act 2020 and which provide for 75 reservation to seize domiciles and in the private sectors and job and that the provide and the monthly salaries are less than the 30,000 on the ground of the violation of the qualities guaranteed under the Articles 14 and the freedom under Article 19 of the Constitution. Economically and the social implication of the reservation in private sector. Delaying economically recovery and the pandemic scenarios and has made it the imperative for the state and to focus on first and the effective economically recovery. However, the compensations of the companies to employ the local mites companies qualities and delay the recovery phase and discourage investment threat to unity and the integrity and not feasible. Discourage investment. Compulsions to employ decrease the competitiveness of companies. Apart from that, and such the measures are directly discourage investment potential in other states. Three to unity and integrity reservation in the private sectors and would create the frictions among locals and non-locals in the implementation state, and this will shake the fundamentals of the Indians democracy and unity in diversity in the long runs. And for feasibles the shortage of the qualified workers in other state and may the impact the implementations of the reservations in the private sectors, forcing the private sector to ask the permission from the authorizing regarding employees, the which is the akin to the situation during inspectors Raj. Effect on interstate migration and national integrations. Reduction in migration reservations for local candidates and may lead to other reduction in the interstate migration as the individuals and may find more the opportunity and within their the home state and discourages skills individuals from leaking better opportunity in different region. Local job market, national integration and procelism. Local job market, it may create other losers. Job market limiting exposures to diverse and perspective and hindering and the overall growth potential of the local economic. National integration reservations in the private sectors and could the potentially lead to the fragmentations of the national workforces and reinforcing and regional identities as the expenses of the local unified national identity. parochilism, and there is other risk and there the policies and like the might and depend the divisions and between state and the communities and leading to the narrow and parochial and outlook. Conclusion: for equitable and the sustainable economic growth, it is the imperatives to the strike the balance and between the responsible to local issues and the unfolding and the open and the mighty meritocratic levers and market the possible straight off and the unforeseeables foreseen and repercussions of the such actions and must be carefully considered by the policymaker. Question: critically analyzes the functionings of the collegiums and system in the context of judicial transfer in India. Discuss the implications of such the transfer on the independence and the integrities of the judiciary. Introduction: what is the collegians and system and body analyzes the functionings of the collegian system and it is the implication on the integrity of the judiciary. And conclusion: way forward, the collegian system and which the involve the Chief Justice of India and other group of the senior citizens and play the pivotal role in the appointment and the transfer of judges in the Indian judiciary, and the collegian system has the involved and through other series of the judgment of the Supreme Court, namely and Gupta and the others, whereas the Union of India 1981 first judges case and Supreme Court advocated on the record association with Union of India in 1993 and second judges cases the special reference in one of the 1998 and third judges cases functionings of the collegium systems. Lack of transparency. Lack of transparency. The collegiums and lack and the official section produced or other documents manuals for its the operations and the criteria. The criteria used for the sections or the rejections of candidate are not publicly disclosed. Absence of accountability. The practices of the judges and selecting others the judges is perceived either under democratics and as there is no the mechanism and for the judicially accountabilities and to the public or the other branches of the state and such as the legislation or the executives, and the absence of the accountabilities introduce and the element of potential arbitrariness in the decisions making process. Judicially criticism. Numerous retired and judges have the expressed and criticism regarding the functions of the collegiums, particularly highlighted the issue of transparencies and the certain controversial appointment and that have the raised concern within the legal community. Implication of such transfer on the independence and integrity of judiciary. Nepotism. Nepotism, erosion of the judicially independent, impact on morals and erosion of public trust. Decision made by the collegians may encourages or nepotism, and since the judges may the prefer appointed or the transfer based on the personal ties and undermining the merit based system and raise questions about the judicially objectives. Erosion of the judicially interdependence. The absence of the participatory and the transparency procedures could result in the excavations interventions since the collegium systems lack and the organized international oversight and mechanism, compromising the independence of the judiciary, impact on the morals and the arbitrary and transfer without clear reasons can the impact the morals of judges affecting and their the performance and the commitment and to their the roles and which result in other decline in the qualities of judicials and decisions and overall the efficiency, erosion of public trust. Lack of transparency and the accountability can result in other negative public and perspective of the judiciary and underline. Judiciary, which is the possibles and the through the collaborations. Examine the current legal frameworks in India and regarding the cyber crimes and with the focus on the deep fakes and suggested the measures to strengthen legal provisions and enforcement mechanism and to the combat the misuse of AI in the creating deep facts. Introduce the describe the deep facts and body lights the legals and frameworks to address the issues and of the deep fakes and the measures to deep with it the conclusion way forward. Deep fakes are the digital medias and videos, audios and the images edited and the manipulated and using the artificial intelligence. It is the hypers and the realistics and digital face falsifications and access to the community and could the computing public and the research and the algorithm and abundant and data and the availability of the waste medias and have the creations of perfect storms to democratics and the creations and manipulations of medias and the systematically medias and contact is the references and to as the deep fakes. Current legal framework to address the issues of deep fakes. Information Technology Act 2000 and Cyber Appellate Tribunals and National Cyber Security Policy 2013. Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. Information Technology Act 2000. Information Technology Act of 2000 is the primarily legislation governing cyber crimes in India. It is the includes the sections on the unauthorized access, data theft and the offense relating to the computer system. Cyber Appellate and Tribunal the Cyber Appellate and Tribunal handles and appears the against issues by the educating and officers under the IT Act. National Cyber Security Policy 2013 and the policy focused on the creating a secure cyber space and in environment promoting the research and development and the enhancing the legal framework. Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. The 2008 amendment introduced the offenses like the identified theft, cyber terrorism and the publication transmissions of the sexual explicit and materials without the consent. Measures to strengthen and the mechanism to curb the issues of deep fake and the responsibilities of the social media intermediated and social media intermediaries have to the developed technology and to the detect and report deep fakes on their sites like the watermarking and all the generated contact and for the X and Microsoft and videos the author and is other new anti deepfake technology to fight and misfabrications and blockchain based deepfake verification. The use of the blockchain technology for the media's creation will allow and the individuals to track the original and the modification history of media, and this will discourages the creations and disseminations of malicious and deepfake. Digital India Act. The forthcoming Digital India Act must have the panel's provisions in case of the malicious and deep fakes. India must take lesson from the China comprehensively regulation on deep fakes and public awareness and responsibilities. Social awareness and about the menace of the malicious and fake videos must be the promoted, and the public must be the made aware of the views and things the share principles for the social media and implementing the principle of the Belleci and the declaration. The declarations calls to address the risk and the responsibilities and associated with the frontier L the like the deep fakes. India, which is among the signatories and must take the leads in the finalizing the global all regulatory frameworks and following the declaration principle conclusion. Strengthening the legal framework to combat the deepfakes and requires other comprehensively approach and that the include specific legalizations and capacities buildings awareness programs and enhances the collaboration between the various stakeholders. The evolving natures of technologies necessities the proactivities and the adaptive legal responsibles to the effective address and the challenges posed by the deepfake threat in cyberspace. Analyzes the role of the migrant and workers in India framework structures development and discuss the challenges they face as the highlighted by the Uttarakhand tunnels and collapse. The indicated introduction briefly descriptions the incident body, what is the role of the migrant worker in infrastructure development and challenges faced by them, and conclusion way forward. The recent collapse of the Shilakyaras and tuners and under the construction structure along the Yamunotri National Highway in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarkashi districts has resulted in the impairment of 14 works and this tanners and 4 other crucial components of the Char Dham All the Vedas road project and road of the migrant workers in India. Infrastructures development and labor forces contributions. A large percentage of the labor forces engaged in the building project is made up of the migrant and who are the essential to India infrastructure development. They frequently take in mutuals labors and intensive jobs like the road constructions and the others physical taxing jobs. Economically contributions by accepting the unemployment access the nation frequently in areas where there is other need for the labor and migrant and workers make other substantial economic contributions. Flexibilities in workforces in industries and can the expand there the workforces in response and to project demand thanks to the flexibilities and that the migrant labor offers, and this the adaptabilities and is the especially important in the construction and industries and because the projects can be spread out over the different regions and social and the cultural diversities by forestings and the interchange of idea and the practices and migrant the workers and contributed to the cultural diversities of the areas in the which they operated. Challenges faced by the migrant worker: bad living condition in the temporary communities close to building project. Migrant labor and frequently experience super living condition. Health problems can result from the adequate housing, sanitary conditions and access to the medical cares. Low salaries and exploitations. Low salaries and unfavorable and working conditions are to the extent of the exploitations and that the affected migrated worker. They do not know that they have the right or they might to be the afraid of losing their the job if they ask for the better terms. Absence of social security. Many migrant workers are the secured and against the disease and accident and the downturns in the economic, and since they do not have access to the social security benefits. Unsafe working condition. The natures of the infrastructure projected after the expose and migrant workers to the hazardous working condition. Lack of the safety measures and training can lead to the accident and injuries. Limited legal protections and migrant worker may not be the adequate and protected by the labor law and there's the legal status might be the MBTS and making it is the difficult for them to the seek legal resources and cases of disputes. Conclusion: to address thus the issues and protect the right and the welfare of migrant workers and engage in India and the infrastructures and development a comprehensive and strategic combining industry and practices social initiatives and government legislations is needed. Question. Examine the impact of climate changes on agriculture productivities in India and the necessary of adopting climate smart agriculture CSA practices. Introduction. What is the CSA body? Highlighted impact of the climate changes on agriculture productivity and necessary of CSA and conclusion. Way forward climate smart agriculturals and CSA is other strategic approach and aims aid the directing effort to the shift agri food system and towards the practices and that are the both with environmentally and sustainable and resiliences to climate change. The poor objectives of CSA and include the enhancing agriculture productivities and income, the sustainability for fostering and adaptations to and buildings, resilience against climate changes impact and the minings or eliminating and greenhouses gas emissions wherever and feasible and impact of climate changes on agriculture productivity. Variabilities in rainfall patterns. The impact of the climate changes are evidence in the regulations and unpredictable pattern of rainfall disrupting the timing and distributions of precipitations, and this the variability has the consequences for the crop and growth stage and utility ultimately and resulting in the diminished and yieldings. Temperature extreme escalating the temperature and particularly during the heat waves and experts the adverse an effect on the crop and development and leading to the decreased yield, and certain crops are the sensitive to temperature fluctuations and the prolonged and exposures and to high temperature can introduce heat stress, water scarcity and the drug and alterations in the precipitations patterns and contributed to the intense of water and scarcity and droughts, giving the heavy and reliance on the monsoon rain for the agriculture in many regions of India. Any disruptions in this the pattern and can lead to water shortage and adversely and affected crop cultivations and rise in the pest and diseases. Warmers and temperatures and shift in the climate conditions create and the environment conducive and to the proliferations of pest and diseases. This present other threat to the crop heightening there's the vulnerabilities and necessitating more incentive pest the management practices necessary of adapting and CSA practices. Enhancing livelihood resilience is the primary goal of CSA is to fortify the resilience of farming communities against the climate related shocks and pressures to enhance farmers and adapting adaptive capacities, and CSA emphasizes the diversification of revenue sources, the promotion of alternative livelihood options, and the establishment of social safety nets. Greenhouse gas emission mitigations. CSA is other dedicated to the curbing and greenhouses gas and GHG emissions streaming from the agricultural activities. It is the promotes the adoptions of practices that enhances carbon storage in the soil, decrease emission from animals, and the optimize fertilizer use to the reduce and nutrient oxygen emissions. Adaptations to climate changes CSA direct and it is the effort toward the enhancing the resiliences of agriculture system in the face of the climate changes impact. This involve implementing techniques and the practices and that the support crops and the livestock and the farmers and in the aid justice and to the involving the climatics and additions climatically condition including the challenges such as the drought, floods, and the heat waves, and conservations and the restorations of ecosystems. and recognition, the implementation of safeguarding and the rejuvenating and ecosystem for the suggest and agriculture viability and CSA and the in encourages the protections of the biodiversities, the restorations of the degraded areas and the integration of the trees and the vegetations into the farming system to enhances the ecosystem process. Conclusion: implementing and the strategy like the CSA is the crucial for the building and resiliences, ensuring the food security and the sustaining livelihood of the farmers in the face of changing climates. Question: analyzes the potential of the fleet electrification in reducing the urban population in India. What the challenges and the opportunities in the transitioning and to the electric vehicles, particularly in the trekking and sectors. Introductions: give the brief context and to the questions body highlightings and the benefits and challenges of fleet electrifications in India. Conclusion: way forward. According to the latest study and by urban emissions and 2015 and the theory study and 2018 transport and the construction sector is other significant contributions to the urban smokes is the PM 2.5 and the PM 10 solutions pollutions, and India transports and more than the 2 trillion ton kilometers of foreign and use the trucks and every in every years, and thus the trucks and account for over and 1/4 of the country and totals and oil impact are responsible for the more than and 90% of the carbon dioxide and emissions and from the road air transports and fleet. The electrification has the potential to significantly reduce the urban populations and India's, especially in the context of the trucking sectors. Benefits of the fleet electrification and environments and beneficiaries, because the electrical vehicles and emit fewer emission than the diesel truck and do it the quality. Benefits of the fleet electrification and environmental benefits, because electric vehicles and emits the favors emission and then the diesel trucks and do not the quality of the airs and the account of the populations and is the metropolitans and the areas are both the enhances decrease the dependency on the fossil fuel by reducing reliance and on the important fossil fuel. Electrical vehicles can improve energy security and lessen the effect of changes in fuel price. Government initiative by offering a range of the financials aid package tax breaks and the legislatures Mrs. the Indians and government has been encouraging the use of electrical vehicles and the fostering the development of other fleet electrification environment and cost saving fleet owners and may be the able to the save money on the electrical vehicles despite their the high initial cost, and since the thought out there the lifetime operating cost and such as the fuel and maintenances are often lower. Changes in the transitioning and to the electrical vehicles, high initials and cost for the fleet managers. The initial cost of the electrical truck and especially for the heavy duties and vehicles remain other major obstacles and subsidies and financial incentives could aid in the resolving these issues. The lack of either strong infrastructures for changing is other significant obstacle. The creation of the best and effective changing infrastructure is essential for the widespread use of the electrical truck, particularly on long distance drives. Range and anxiety issues with the restricted and range of the electrical truck and must be the address, particularly when it's come into long distance driving. The technologies logical development in the batteries are the necessary to increase the range of electrical truck and battery technologies. While programs is being made more, the development are the required to improve the energy and dispacity and shortage changing the period and brings down the cost of varieties as other whole. Conclusion: the major step towards the achieving other significant advancement in the electrifications of trucks in India may include designating and specific expressway and the national highway as green the road and corridors, including India innovating financial tool in encouraging the development of charging infrastructures through the intensive supporting entrepreneurships initiatives and creating opportunities regulatory environment in the country. Question: critically analyzes the role of the effective of environmental impact assessment in the guiding infrastructure project in ecologically system areas like the Himalayas. How can the EIAS and be improved to better protect the environment? What is EIA? Highlighted role of the EIA is guiding the infrastructure project in Himalayas regions. Way forward: environment impact assessment EIA served as other tool for recognizing the governmental, social and economically consequences of the project priorities to decisions making. It is is to forecast environmental impacts during the initial phase of project plannings and decisions devises strategies to migrate advise adverse effect tailors project to align with the local environment and present both predictions and potential option to decisions makers. Recent tenor collapse incident and in the Uttarakhand has the broad issues of EIA and into the focus in the Indian Himalaya region. IHR role of EIA in guiding the infrastructure project in HR impact identifications, making making informed and decisions, public participation mitigates strategic impact identification in environmentally sensitive locations, environmental impact assistance assessment and EIA and are the essential for determining the possible environment effect of infrastructure development. This entail in evaluating the consequences for local resistance, social stabilities and diversity and water resources. Impact identification in environmental sensitive location, environmental impact assessment EIAS and are the essential for determining the possible environmental effect of infrastructure development and this the detail. This entail and the evaluating the consequences for the local resistance, soil stabilities and biodiversity and water resources. Making enforcement a decision by the balancing the project and socio-economic advanced and against it is the environmental effect. They give decisions makers and the information to help them and make well-enforced decisions. Public participations and public the consultation are other common part of the environmental impact assessment and EIA. And whereas and there why the local population and are giving other voice in the decisions making process, and their concern are the duly considerations, mitigations and strategic to lessons or the contemporary eradicates and negative environmental effect effectively, and EIAS and provide mitigations and strategic the implementation and the monitorings of the procedures, and both the during and after the project are the criticals to theirs the in effectiveness improvement for the better environment protections, building capacity and adapting management and thought assessment and independence review. Building capacity increase the availability of the nearby community to take and the active role in the EIU and procedures. This entails and giving them the knowledge and infrastructures and tool and they need to the participate and successfully adaptive and management use and the adaptive management and strategic that the enables. Through assessment and environmental impact assessment, EIA and ought to be the through, including all the possible environmental consequences, including and the cumulative and the indirect effect in the ecological. मुझे नहीं आ रही समझ में क्या हो रहा होगा में including and the cumulatives and the indirect effect in the ecologically sustainable place, and where even the minor and changes can have the major affected. This the especially crucial and independence review to guarantees impartience and evaluations and increase the trustworthiness and independence review of EIA conducted by the professional and the affiliated and with the project or the regulatories and agencies are the recommendation conclusions. It is the imperative to conduct other specialized and environmental impact assessment EIA and tolerated special for the Indian Himalayas region and taking and into the considerated, and it is the distinctive and the environmentals and cultures and geographical attributed, and this the customized and approach is vital to guarantee and that the development in the region is not only the sustainable but also the priorities the preservations of ITS and dedicated ecosystem and the welfare of its diverse community. Question: discuss the pros and the cons of the creating an all the India's judiciary system AIJS in the context of diversification the judiciary and ensuring merit-based selection. Introduction: what is the AIJS body, highlighting the pros and the concern of AIJS and conclusion way forward. Recently the president emphasis and the creation of All India and the All India Judiciary Services AIJS and to the diversified and India social and fabrics in the context of the judiciary's articles 312 and of the constitution as the amendment by the 42 amendment provides and for the creations of and the AIJS and the required and the resolutions adaptations by the council or the student with other two words and the majority and the parliamentary law. Pros of creating AIJS. AIJS merit-based selections and AIJS can provide other uniforms merit-based hearings procedures for entry-level code. Job thought out the nations and this would make it the easiest to the nominated judges and based more on their legal expertise and the knowledge than on the geographicals or political factor. Geographical diversity. By hearing the judges from the different states and AIJs may contributed and to the more diverse judiciaries by improving the representations of various communities and areas, genders and the social diversity by enacting and the inclusive policies and supporting candidates and from other varieties of background. Centralizations and requiring may offers a change to redress and genders and social inequalities in the judiciary and requiring process simplified and compared to the present and decentralization approach is the centralized and requirement process and may be the quicker and more the effective to ensure that the justice is the delivered and on the time and it is can the sorted the time and it takes to the full judicially vacancies. Con of creating AIJs. Lack of local knowledge and the judges hired and through the AIJs and may not be the knowledgeable and about the religion deliberate dialect customs or the state specifics legal issues and which could have and the impact on the standard. State specification legal issues and which could have and the impact on the standard of the justice provide and federation concern and administrative complexities and possibilities of elitism. Federation concern and state government may oppose the requirement process centralizations claiming that it's the violated state the authority autonomy and federalism and principles and administrative complexities and implementing and overseas other national and centralization hearing process may present administration difficulties such as the coordinating and with state government handling logistics and requiring a strong infrastructure and possibilities of elitism candidate from the elite legal school and large cities and may the benefits from the centralized and requiring and which could be limits and chances and for the pupils and from less fortunate home and smaller community. Conclusion. A careful balance and must be the strict by the stabilizing and all the India judiciary services between the advantage of efficiency, diversity and the standardizations and the possible disadvantage of the bureaucratic obstacles, the risk of centralization and the awareness of the local environment to guarantee that the judges are the selected the based on merit and that the independent and the wide diversities of the judiciary are the maintained. Policy makers must carefully wait and chase the issues. Question. Discuss the role of the smaller states like the Maldives and in the India-China geopoliticals and reliability. How have thus the state used the rivalry and to their the advantage in internal politics? Introduction briefly describes and context of the questions and body role of the smaller state and geopolitical rivalry and how they use it to their advanced and conduction advantage. Conclusion. Way forward. Smaller nations such as the Maldives are important players in the greater geopolitical structures between China and India and through their the positions is complexes and thus to the Asian superpowers and are now the engaged in other strategic rivalry and centrally around the Indian Ocean region, and which includes the Maldives and role in geopolitical rivalry. Strategic locations. Because of their location, smaller and state and such as the island republics like Maldives have the greater strategic significance due to its strategic locations and along the important sea lanes. The Maldives. The Maldives is the attractive and to the China and India in the terms and trade, energy security and naval might and through this region passes more than the 97% of India total international trade by the volumes and 75% by volumes and economics and dependency and when it's the comes and to investment development initiative and the financial assistance and thus the smaller government frequently rely on China and India, and both countries provide economic help to thus government and to the gain influences resulting in other complicated web of economic linkage and security implications. The dynamics of security between China and India have and the impact on the Maldives and the other smaller states, and to make sure and there the security issues are taken care of the without offering offerings and anyone. They strike other careful balance. Indian diaspora. There is other CGAs and populations of pupils and descended from India living in Maldives, and there are the numerous Indians and employees in the Maldives and educations and medical care system and as well as in the tourism and hospitality sectors. Utilizing rivalry for international politics. War Jennings powers and smaller government use the China-India rivalry and to their the advantage in negotiations. Negotiation and by pitting one powers and against the others and they can get advantage done in business agreement, infrastructure development project and diplomatic expertise. Diversification of relations in infrastructure development and diplomatic manipulations. Diversification, diplomatic and ecosystem relationship is common goal and for the smallest powers through active engagement with both China's and India, they ensures a wider and base of support for the national objectives and avoid being dependent on other single state infrastructure development. Smaller state and could leverages the competitiveness and to draw in infrastructure funding by the strategically aligns with one or the both of those countries government can gain from the enhances connectivity and economics development as India and China frequently fight to the fund and construct important infrastructure project. Diplomatic manipulations. Diplomatic manipulation. Smaller nations use the diplomacy and to the pressure China and India and into the providing assistance. Providing assistances and concessions and they can the obtain research technology and diplomatic support and without fully the committing and to one side by the defaulting managing skills. Conclusion. Maldives is strategic and location in the Indian Oceans and makes it is the essentials to India interested and the however since the China's growing dominance in the India Ocean regions and the partnerships he has faced new difficulties. He's faced new difficulties while taking into the account and the Maldives sensitives and India must the vigorously promotes and tease its tie with the country. analyzes the multi-agency coordinations and the innovations and strategic emergency in the Shikyara tunnels and discuss operation in the Uttarakhand and discuss how the approach and can be the standardized and for the future disasters response scenarios and in India introductions. Analyzes the multi-agency coordinations and the innovation strategic and employs the Sinkiaras and Tanners risks. Operation in Uttarakhand discuss how such the approach and can be the standardized and for the tanner. For future disaster response and scenarios in India introductions. Briefly descriptions the risks operation body strategic involved in the operation and for future response scenarios and conclusion way forward. After 17 days in the recently after 17 days of the recent less and effort the successful and risks of 14 and traps the liver in and the under the construction tunnels. Its Silkayas and in the Uttarkashi districts on the November 20th, 2023 and marks the operation Jindagi in the Sikyaras as the longest ever the rescues and operation in the country for the evacuating workers from either tanner or mine. And the coordination and innovating and the strategics and employees in operations and utilized unified the command systems and an air NDRF and the SDRC RF and RBNL and SJVNL ONGL GC ITBP and NHAI DCL and THDC and the Uttarakhand and state government district administration army air force workers and played an important role in the rescue works in the mission. Mission Sikyaras and are the this unified commands and system ensure and that all the involved and the organizations and works together under either singles coordination effort technological innovations rate hole mining techniques and community engagement. Technological innovation the use of the agers and technology involve the use of the rotating metal shaft with blades and to the scarp or the cuts debris and the curbing path for rescues and draft and technologies was the employees for the creations of horizontal passages or the tunnels in other mountain hills or the underground structures and rate hole the mining techniques and using the side and cutting the techniques and thus rate miners and excavate and in little tunnels and on hills slopes and that the miners enters and the to access the coal seams and the last 15 meters of the collapse and tunnels at the silkayars and where the dug by hand to vault and the evacuations and the channels and which is when and this the technology come in handy. Community engagement and rescues and operation including the involving the nearby and communities in disaster Disaster preparedness and the response activities and communities can offer the important information about the local terrain and community, and they frequently play the crucial role in early reactions. How much approach can be the standardized and for the future operations? Clears. Clear communication protocols, and it is the critical product training and exercise technological and integrated and the public private partnerships. Clear communication protocols, it is the criticals. It is critical to put in the places and efficiency communication protocols to prevent and misunderstandings. This the entails and creating a uniform channels of communication outlining and role and the duties, and using the consistent languages and training and the exercises and coordinating effort between the several agencies might be improved improved and with the regular joint training and exercise, and thus the exercises and aid in the detectings and efficiency in the reactions plan communications and changes and the rescue resources distributions technological integrations using tools like the GIS and mapping drones and surveillances and the communication to the share information in real time can greatly and enhances the situational and awareness and decision making. Public private partnerships and collaborations between the government agencies and private organizations can the enhances the overall capacities for disaster response, and private entities and often the possess unique the resources and expertise that can the implemented government effort. Conclusion, it is the crucial to take into the account the reasons and particulars difficulties and features, and include the relevant parties and customize the plans and to the particulars and of the each disaster situation, improving and the standardizing disasters and response activities, and required constant and learning the adaptabilities and from teamwork. Discuss the role of the insolvency and the bankruptcy and code in the empowering the operations creditors and the especially and small and medium enterprises and MSMEs is in recovering their the dues, and how can the IBC and be made more effective for the benefits of SMEs. Introduction define and IB and briefly and body highlightings and its role in the empowering the SMEs, and how can it to be made more effective. Conclusion way forward. The Insolvency and the Bankruptcy and Code was enacted in 2016, and it is the replaced and all the exciting laws and with the uniform procedures to resolve the insolvency and bankruptcy disputes, and the code aims to address the issue of the non-performing assets and NPAs and the debt default. Role of IBC in empowering the creditors and the specialty and SMEs. Level playing field, and the IVC and offers and operations and creditors and such as the SMES the legal framework that the guaranteed other level playing field. It is enabled and them to the file for the bankruptcy on the behalf of the non-compliant and debtors. Time board resolution to cut down and on the times and resources needed to the creators to collect their debt, and the IBC and required and time bound resolutions produced, and this is the especially helpful for SMEs as they depth and do not have the resources to fight protected and legal battles. Professional is insolvency hearing. The insolvency specialist and guarantees are the clear and the methodological approach to the settlement procedures and for the SMEs and who might not have the necessary experience to handle the complicated bankruptcy and procedures, and this can be harmful. Maximization of asset value in IBC and aims to the maximize the value of the debtors and assets, ensuring that the creators, including the operations and creations, receiving a fair and share during the resolution process. Creators, including operationals and credit, receive other fair and share during the resolution process. Improving IBC and for the benefits of the SMEs. Simplified process introduce. Uh, Simplify process introduce and the simplify and the cost effective process, and especially and the tolerance and to the need and capabilities and of the SMEs, and this can the introduce reducing the procedures complexities and lowering associations cost. Capacity buildings and fast track mechanism and depth recovery tribunals. Capacity building invested in the capacity building for the SMEs and to the enhances their understanding of the IBC and processes, and this can the involve the conducting and awareness programs and workshops and providing the accessible and informations on the insolvencies procedures. Fast track mechanism and establish is a fast track mechanism within the IBC for the smaller cases involving the SMEs, and this can the expedite the resolutions process and ensuring the quicker recovery of due. This can expedites the resolutions process, ensuring the quick recovery of dues. Depth recovery and tribunals DRTS. Strength and depth recovery tunnels and to handle smaller cases efficiency. This can provided other more accessible and especially forum and for the MSME to resolve their insolvency and related issues. Conclusion. Uh, Conclusion. In conclusion, even when the IBC has recently improved the strategic of the operational creations and particularly SM continued improvement and the forced initiative and can increase it is the efficiency is the in addressing unique difficulties counter by the smaller business. Question. Discuss the challenges in the established the correctness of the EVMs and the implications for the environment elections security. How can India balance technologies advanced and with the electrical transparency? Describe the EVM and the briefly the highlighted challenges before EVM and measures to improve its the effectiveness. Discuss the challenges and is established and the correspondence of EVM and implications for the election security, and how can India balance technological advancement and with electrical transparency. Despite EVM and briefly highlight challenges before the EABM and the measures to the improve its the effectiveness and conclusion way forward. electronic voting machine of EVMs and are used in the state and general elections and in India to allow the voters to cast a ballot and without disclosing their the identities in India, and it has taken the places of papers and volute in the municipal, state and national parliamentary and in and elections, the elections commissions of India and only the purchases and EVMs from thus to the central government and undertaking the Bharat Electrical Electronics and Limited and Ecos Electronics and Corporation of India Limited challenges in the established the correctness and EVMs and the implications for election security. Absence of voter verifiability electronics voting machine do not provide other paper trails and that the enables voters to the independently and confirm their the ballots and the integrity of voting process. Hacking susceptibility and the limit transparency and inadequate security measures. Hacking susceptibilities and EVM are the vulnerables to the manipulations and hackings and manipulations and hacking the legitimacy of the resulted is the compromises if the mail violent and individuals and can the tampers with the voting machines and underlying the electoral process as a whole limited and transparency EVM and sources code is the frequently confidential and not available for the public inspector. It is the challenging for the individuals and the interdependent and scientific specialist and to the evaluated the security and the dependency identity of the EVM and due to a lack of the transparency in their the digital and operations. Cute. Adequate security measures and EVMs and maybe the susceptible to cybers and physical attack if they lack strong security measures and the voting process and maybe the comprised and by the unauthorized and access the physical manipulations of cyber attacks and which could play forces enabled naval result measures that can be the considered to the balance technology advanced and with the electoral transparency make BBPAT and more than reliable on open force and code revenue and risk limitation audit and RLA and public awareness and education. BBPAT more innovative, more reliable make the appropriated BBPAT protocols and entail and enabling the voters and the revenue and approve the target. Approve help it is the maintenance and in India integrity. Open sources code review. promote openness and by the allowing the general publics to the see the source and code of the EVMs, and this makes and it is the possible for the impartially specialist and to the evaluate the technology assurance and the security risk limitation audio and RLA. Thus the audio can be the carried out for the cross and checking the electric tally and with the BVPAT and the counts, and this the proactive approach help in the maintaining and the integrity and of the voting process. Public awareness and education. Educate the public on the EVM and technology security measures and steps for the transparency electoral process to vote and crucial confidence in electronic voting system. The ECIN is also well known although the process and for its the flawless and track record of the holdings large scales and free and fair election to make the elections process in India an error free and the foolproof. The ECI has the spearheaded and novels and inventions such as the voting IDS and IBEMS. All political parties and citizens and must be the pursued of the process and integrity and transparency. Analyzes the evolution of impact of Indian foreign policy towards the Israel-Palestine conflict. How has India's stand impact? It is the international relation, particularly with the countries in the global south. Introductions and brief context to the questions. Explain. Evolution of Indian and the foreign policy and how it is has the impacted. It's the relations and with the global south. Groups traditionally and India main and India and the region policy towards the Israel-Palestine conflict has evolved over the years and reflecting either newest and approach that traditionally India mentioned as the pro-Palestine stand and during the Cold War era, and however in the recent decades and there has been other notable shift and towards other more balanced and the pragmatic positions. Evolution of the India and regions. India foreign policy historical supports and for the Palestine India emphasis and the empathy and with the Palestinian peoples and quite for the determinations and supported the Palestinian causes the vigorously and during the Cold War. Numeralization of the relations and normalization of the relation balance approach on multifaceted engagement. India relation and with Israel started to improve in the 1919 and 1992 and full the diplomatic connections and where the established economic and the geopolitical factors drawn this challenges balance approach, and since then India has retailed and either neutral positions encouraging aboard our robot and military authority autonomous and the sovereign state for the Palestinian people. Multifaceted and engagement. India the maintain other multifaceted relationship and with both Israel and Palestinians. and focusing on the defense and cooperation agreement, technology and counter areas. And India has the investigator invested having in the financial aid and support the healthcare, education and capacity building, as well as the material and diplomatic supports to Palestine impact. Impact global south relations, and India has been an able to enacted with the national all around the global south, and thanks to its the imperial and strength, and India stay and neutral towards other the countries and the might and have the different opinions and about the conflict by the keeping relations and with the both Israel and Palestine, diversification of partnerships. India ties and with the Arabs and the Islamic countries and have been known and have prayed and by its involvement and with the Israel's India standing in its the international fora has been the enhances by its the capacities to the negotiations in the varieties of geopolitical environment, economics and the technicals gain, economic and technicals gain. India has beneficiaries economically and technologically from the closures and ties and the with Israel, and in the sectors like the agricultural, water management and defense. Technological Israel is other crucial partners. Collaboration in the fight against the terrorism, and India and the Israel are the both subject to the similar terrorism threat. India standing in the international world has the improved and the bilateral relation has been strengthened. View the cooperation in the counter areas. Operation conclusion: India has adopted the pragmatist and the impartial stance in its the growing foreign policy regarding the Israel-Palestine conflict. India the diplomatic flexibilities and goods the engagement and with the countries in the global south has been the facilitated by this the approach, and which has the allowed India to retain the diplomatic contact and with both the parties. India standing on the international scene and has been the strengthened by its the capacities to handle challenging geopolitical situation. Critically evaluations the arguments for the bigger for other bigger and the versus and smaller role of the state in the inclusive and the development discussion. The impact of the Indian state being the purpose and thin the but and the process and think on policy implementation and the delivery of the public services. Introduction give the brief context of the questions and body. On body and highlighted the argument for the against the biggest role of the state and its impact on the policies implementation. Conclusions: way forward, Indian state and is often and the labeled as the paradox of too big and the aid to the small, and this fact and can be gauged and from the exhibitions legals and requirement or the bureaucratics and the process to do business in India, and while on the other hand and the countries has the smallest number of the civil servant and but capita among the G20 nations, and on the On the economic front, the Indian and the states and is relatively and small on the metrics and such as the tax and GDP and ratio and the public expenditure GDP ratio and the pupils thin and suggested a shortage of personnel for the efficiency governance while the process thick and implies. Thick implies are the bureaucratic system and with the intricate and produced argument for the big role of the state, equitable resources distributions and social welfare program. Equitable resources distribution advocated and the contact and that are the larger state is more and the capable of ensuring the equitables and disruptions distributions of the opportunities money and the resources as it's the contribution to closing the wealth and gap and this the especially and the crucial for the inclusive for the inclusively growth and social welfare programs are larger. Social welfare program a larger state can the established and oversees extended social welfare initiative and that the tackle challenges such as the homelessness and housing, the healthcare and education and thus the initiative promotes and including the development by the directly affected the vulnerables and marginalized population. Argument for other smaller role of the state. Smaller role of the state decrease the bureaucracy and the budgetary and responsibilities. Decrease bureaucracy. It is the implicated that other smaller state will have the less bureaucracy and which to the quicker and decision making and the more responsive and the governance faster policy implementation and other more flexible response to the shifting needs to may result and from this the budgetary and responsibilities and thus those who favor other reduced state size stress the value of the budgetary and the responsibilities they the content that other linear government is more the situated to prevent the economically stabilities which is essential for the inclusively growth over the long runs and is less prone to accrue excessive debt. Impact of the Indian state being the pupils and thin but process thick. Policy implementation challenges barriers to the services and delivery a process and thick state and with complex procedures and may the discourage corruption and the accountability issues are the large bureaucracy and the intricate inadequately and the religion disparities. Conclusion to true achieve and the inclusion development in India it is the imperatively to tackle the pupils and thin thin process thick and the proponent of the state and to overcome the implementation barriers and the guarantees that the public services are promotes to all the section of the populace. Question. Analyzes the challenges faced by the India is balancing it is the development priorities and with its environmental commitment and especially in the context of its the reliance on the coal for energy and need. How does India positions on coal it at the international level reflected it is the domestic economically and energy and realized. Introduction. Give the brief context to the questions body. What are the challenges in the balancing development goal on environmental commitment conclusions way forward. Recently on the side Recently on the sideline of the COP28 in Dubai and India has the reaffirmed it is the commitment to the mitigating global warmings and by highlighting the fundamental tenets of its the climate diplomacy, equity and justice. India has been the unequivocal about the role in the country economic and will not the buckle under the international pressures at the cost of the national national development. Challenges is balancing development and priorities and environmental commitment. Energy demands and wealth, the environmental susceptibilities and the transparent dependency on coal and renewables energy transmissions and air quality and the public health. Energy demand wealth, the environmental subsidies. India must balance it is the bargainings and energy and needs to the support economically growth but it's the obligations and under the internationals and environmental agreement. Environmental agreements and it is the difficult to strike the balance between the requirement for the energy security and ecological practice and dependency on the coal. India energy demands and are the primarily made by the coal and which is the present are the serial environmental and risk because of the carbon emission, air pollution and its the role in the climate changes and this the independence make the achieving environmental goal and more difficult. Renewables energies transmissions, infrastructure development and the significant expenditures are needed to the make the switch from the coal to the renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources. Infrastructure development significant expenditures are needed to the make the switch and the coal and from the renewable energy sources and India must the quickly changes in the energy mix the without the sacrificing its the current rate of the economic expansions, air quality and the public health. The utilization of the coal lead to the air pollutions and which has and the impact on the public health. An important problem facing India is the striking a balance and between the economically programs and the health and well-being of its the people. India positions on coal at the international level. Internal economically realities and poverty, elevations and the energy access, finance and the technology barriers. and diplomacy and the aspirations. India internal economically prosperities and are the reflected and in its the international attitude on the coals and because of its the accessibilities and affordabilities. Coal continue to be and the essential part of the India and energy mix, especially and for the country and best the population with other variety of energy and need and poverty alleviations and the energy access. India highlights and it is the commitment to ensuring that all its residents, particularly those living in the distances and locations, have access to the energy and because it is the reasonability prices and energy sources and coal is the essential for reducing the energy property and promoting the economics growth financial and technological barriers. India is investing in the renewables energy and but the shift is being impeded and by the fundings and technology issues and India needs the international financing the technologies transfer to speed its move away from coal developmental and the aspirations and India emphasis and the need for the economically growth to pull the missions and out of the property and then the arguing in the international forums and for the idea of the common but the indifferentials and responsibilities and this the positions ask for understandings from the international community on it the continued use of the coal and while going through and the transitions conclusion. India faced the difficult challenges and of the recognizing its the environmental obligation with its the socio-economically growth, especially in light of the its and coal dependent and economic the nation regional policy is the reflection of its realistic approach which emphasizes the need to address the economics and the energies and realize and while the understanding the difficulties of the switch and to the greener energy sources to promote sustainable development and make other significant contributions to global environmental goal. India must the strike the balance between those interests. Thank you guys. Bye bye. This session will be closed.